In this segment, you'll learn the definition of informative speaking, types of informative speeches, and tips for speaking informatively. An informative speech conveys knowledge and information to an audience. The goal is to help people understand and learn about a topic you already know about or have researched. An informative speech may be based on an object, a process, an event, or a concept. When you have selected a topic, decide which type of informative speech you want to present. First, objects are visible, concrete, and stable in form, and may include people. Here is a specific purpose statement for an informative speech about an object. To inform my audience about the newly remodeled sports field on campus. Second, processes are a series of steps or actions that lead to a result or conclusion. Here is a specific purpose statement for an informative speech about a process. To inform my audience how to perform a step over, chop, pull back, and other essential soccer moves. Third, events are any occurrences that happen in time. Here is an example of a specific purpose statement for an informative speech on an event. To inform my audience about the World Cup. Lastly, concepts are anything that can be regarded as belief, theory, principle, idea, or notion. Here is an example of a specific purpose statement for an informative speech on a concept. To inform my audience about operant conditioning in sports psychology. When preparing your speech, remember to organize your ideas so they flow logically for your audience. Just as sports teams may try different plays during a game, various organizational patterns may be effective with different types of informative speeches. What you use depends on your topic and how you plan to present your information. For example, Joe's informative speech is based on the concept of operant conditioning in sports psychology. He researched two main areas about that concept, positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement. So he decides to organize his speech topically by addressing one subtopic first and then the other subtopic last. Regardless of the type of informative speech you choose and how you organize it, consider these tips for informative speaking. Conduct thorough audience analysis. Craft your message to your listeners' needs, and don't underestimate or overestimate what they know. Use specific, concrete language, and avoid abstract ideas or overly technical language. Relate your subject matter directly to your audience. When possible, personalize your ideas to add a human touch to your speech. Use a variety of speech support, such as examples, statistics, and testimony. Informative speakers seek to teach, train, provide knowledge, and create understanding for an audience. Whether your informative speech is about an object, process, event, or concept, organize it in such a way that is appropriate to your goals and in line with the needs of your audience.